Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name is Adrian, and in this lesson we are looking inside a police station. In the police station, we can see 5 people standing in front of a wall. There is also a policeman and a police dog. The policeman has a description of somebody that the police are looking for. The policeman has brown hair. The policeman has a moustache. The policeman looks very smart. The policeman is wearing a dark blue uniform and a hat on his head. The policeman also has a pair of handcuffs for his job. Let's ask some questions. Can you answer with me? Does the policeman have a moustache? Yes, the policeman has a moustache. What colour is the policeman's uniform? Dark blue. The policeman's uniform is dark blue. How does the policeman look? The policeman looks very smart. Somebody else in the room is wearing dark blue clothes. Person number 3 is wearing a dark blue t-shirt. It is a woman, and she is wearing a t-shirt and jeans. The woman is wearing dark blue boots on her feet. The woman's hair is pink. She is tall and slim. She looks very relaxed. Let's ask some questions and try to answer with me. Is the woman wearing a t-shirt? Yes, the woman is wearing a t-shirt. What colour is the woman's hair? Pink. The woman's hair is pink. How does the woman look? The woman is tall and slim. She looks very relaxed. Let's look at person number 5. It's a little girl. She looks very young. The girl has ginger hair, and under her arm she is holding teddy bear. The girl is wearing a red dress. And on her feet, she is wearing white socks and red shoes. Let's ask some questions about the girl. Can you answer them with me? Has the girl got ginger hair? Yes, the girl has got ginger hair. What colour is the girl's dress? Red. The girl's dress is red. How does the girl look? The girl is little. The girl looks very young. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed your visit to the police station. Please watch Martin's lesson to learn how to describe the other people in our scene. Bye for now.